November, week 1, language lesson 4 for 2nd grade. You should all have a little study guide, and if you could put your finger up here on the word in, it says, in your composition book, write a paragraph to contrast your monster with a friend's monster. Number 1, start with a main idea sentence. Number 2, write 3 sentences to contrast the 2 monsters. And then it says use adjectives and words like but or whereas. Number 3, write a wrap-up sentence. Okay, so I'm going to write that I'm contrasting, I'm going to pretend I'm Alder, and that's this monster, and I'm going to contrast his monster with Jude's. So my main idea sentence goes like this. And with a paragraph, you always push in your first word. Do you guys remember that from last year? It has to have the shape of a van, because it's all about the same main idea. And do you remember the van? Does a money van have cupcakes in it?
No. Yes.
No, it has dollars, $5, $10, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. So it's all different kinds of money. So the main thing in the van is money, but not cupcakes. But does the baked goods van have fish in it?
No.
It has donuts, cupcakes, fritters, bread, and bagels, right? And muffins. So a van has all the same main kind of thing, and a paragraph is the same. It's all about one main idea. And the main idea of this one is what? Contrasting your monster with someone else's. So you're going to push in to get that van shape. Only the first sentence. I am contrasting, it's a big word, my monster and remember, I'm pretending I'm older, so who am I contrasting mine with? Jude's. With Jude's. I do need to capitalize his name. And since he owns it, it's a possessive, so I'm putting an apostrophe S. Okay? Go ahead and write your first sentence, kind of like I did, but pick whoever you want to contrast your monster with and put their name. Some of you might put Jude's. Some of you might put, Alder says he's going to do Leif. Okay, so he would put, I am contrasting my monster with Leif.
I was thinking the same thing.
Now, I'm going to go ahead and model how to do the paragraph, but I just want you guys to focus on getting that first sentence written, and then just stop and watch how I do this, okay? So, Farius, which is Alder's monster, has 4 eyes, but Jude's has 5. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write a sentence about that.
Mine's gonna be an eye. I'm gonna do and then I'm gonna do like one eye.
And what are my adjectives in this sentence? What are my adjectives? I'm writing Farius has 4 eyes, but Flash has 5. 4 and 5. Good. Do you know all numbers are adjectives? And now I'm going to contrast something else. I'm going to write Farius has 6 antennae, but Flash has 12. Flash has a lot. Last of all, I'm going to write the difference. Do you see what Alder said? Farius is strange, but Jude said that Flash is scary. So I'm going to put Farius is strange, but Flash is scary.
I mean, what if we don't have enough room for word and we already start there?
You put a little hyphen, and
Like a little straight line?
Yep, and then write the rest of the word on the next line. Alder's is Farius. And for my wrap up, it says, because remember number 3, it said do a wrap up. I'm going to put both are really weird, exclamation mark. How's that? Both. I'm just going to put are weird because I'm running out of space. Okay, that's a good wrap up, right? The last thing I'm going to do is put dark blue triangles on all my adjectives. So all numbers are adjectives. So can you guys find any?
Jude.
6.
Is Jude?
Nope. That's a noun.
Flash?
Okay. Jude, stop just guessing. Stop guessing. Miss Cammy just said all numbers are adjectives. And then I was asking if you guys could find any. And some of you did. And some of you just started saying other stuff. So, 4.
And 12. 12.
12. Good. Okay, so now we found all our adjectives that are numbers. Now look at our sentence here. Farius is strange, but Flash is scary. Without yelling out, put your hands up if you think you see an adjective in that sentence. Without yelling out. Hands up. Jude.
Scary.
Yep. And Leif, can you find one more?
Where does the sentence start?
Farius is strange, but Flash is scary.
Oh,
No, that's a name. That's naming.
strange.
Yes, good. Strange is adding information. And then, does anyone see an adjective in the last sentence? Both are weird.
Both.
Grayson.
Weird.
Weird. All right. So, weird, strange, scary, 6, 12, 4, and 5 are all the adjectives we have. When you're done with your paragraph, this is what it looks like. It's going to have a lot of dark blue triangles, right? Because you're using adjectives to contrast your monster and someone else's. Okay? Good luck with this work, and I hope you all got your first sentence done. And then remember, when you're doing it by yourself, go ahead and look at your monster and look at a friend's monster and think of ways to contrast using adjectives.